If you're looking to step up from a basic desktop setup without spending thousands of dollars, this racing simulator cockpit frame with integrated TV stand is one of the most complete all-in-one budget solutions on the market. Having a standalone rig that combines the seat, frame, shifter mount, and monitor mount into a single unit completely changes the immersion factor. I ended up receiving this product from an honest review and testing, and in today's video I'm going to show you the setup as much as I can and also give you an overview of the whole unit. This is going to be a voiceover after I already put the rig together and played it for a couple days. When it comes to unboxing, everything is really nicely packaged. It does come packaged in 2 boxes and it is pretty heavy because the whole frame is made from steel. So out of the box, the steel tube construction feels surprisingly solid. Assembly will take some time. Plan on spending roughly an hour to 2 hours putting it together if you're doing it by yourself. But it is very possible and there's no heavy lifting since everything happens on the floor. Mounting hardware and pre-drill holes align very well. I had no missing parts and assembly was pretty smooth. The overall weight gives it enough ground stability so it doesn't slide around during aggressive cornering or heavy braking, even on wood flooring. It does come with a heavy-duty rubber mat. In this video I haven't showed that because I'm using this on my rug. The included racing bucket seat is a major highlight. Budget cockpits often compromise on seating, but this bucket seat features very good padding. It sits low to mimic a real sports car driving position. You can't really adjust the seat, but you can move the pedals and the steering wheel towards yourself. The wheel deck allows for angle and height adjustment so you can set your steering wheel at the ideal distance and slope. Below that, the pedal plate can also be tilted and shifted forward or backward to accommodate different leg lengths and driving postures. Now, having the TV or monitor attached directly to the front frame means your screen sits right behind your wheel deck. Getting the display close to your line of sight is crucial for setting up a realistic field of view. It eliminates the need for a separate monitor stand or mounting a TV to the wall, keeping your entire sim setup self-contained in a compact footprint. Now, I do want to mention there's 2 versions of this racing cockpit, the older version and the newer one. Now, I did end up receiving the older version. Everything else is pretty much the same. In this video, I'm using it with the Logitech G923. Alright, so I just finished putting it all together. I didn't show the paddle and the steering wheel installation because this is compatible with many other models, but it is pretty simple. All you have to do is just put it on and there's spots for the screws. This one uses 2 from the bottom, then you're going to tighten this. Same with the shifter, same with the pedals. All you have to do is just put it there and align it. Now, when it comes to monitor, I'm only using 27-inch, which is fine for me because I do like to watch TV on the side while I'm gaming. Now, you can end up pushing this up and down and you can tilt it. Same thing with the pedals, they do move. There's a little screw on the bottom so you can move it up and down, and also you can tilt it as well. Same thing with the steering wheel. There's quite a lot of adjustments here. So again, there's this little thing where you can tilt it as much as you want. And on the bottom, there's these adjustments so you can push it back and forth. And with the shifter, you can go up and down and you can move it left and right. Now, after using it for the last couple days and being in the seat for at least 2 hours at a time, it's an incredible bang for your buck. By bundling a sturdy frame, adjustable TV mount, versatile shifter bracket, and a comfortable bucket seat all in one package, it eliminates the guesswork of buying separate pieces. For beginner to intermediate sim racers looking to lock in a dedicated racing position, it's a very good investment, and this is something that's going to keep you entertained for hundreds, if not thousands of hours.